If your Hanseatic dishwasher is leaking, reporting an error E4, and is constantly in water pumping mode, in this video, I will help you understand how to find the problem. You can check where the leak is coming from in real time by opening the top cover and both sides. There, it's just few screws. Now just start the machine and look around for leak. In this case, it's leaking from this rubber hose. Put the machine upside down and open the service cover. Now just find defective part and replace.